Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 7, week 3, day 5 of your KAM blueprints. The story for the week, If You Give a Pig a Pancake. Theme concept, characters find unique ways to solve problems. Strategy, to question. Skill, fantasy, and realism. Today we're going to use our stretchers. If you're in my class, you can get your bands out or lift your hands up and stretch out those words with me. Here we go. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you're going to stretch out the rest all on your own. First one. Here we go. It's going to be store. So, or, store. Good. Next one. Meat. And word. Good. Next one. Skip. And word. Night. And word. And last one. Feet. And word. Good job. Okay. We're going to go all the way to irregular words. So it's Friday. That means I say the word and then you say the word. Here we go. My turn word, tall. Your turn word. My turn word, old. Your turn word. My turn word, peace. Your turn word. My turn word, idea. Your turn word. My turn word, water. Your turn word. My turn word, favorite. Your turn word. My turn word, most. Your turn word. My turn word, give. Your turn word. Okay, letter sounds. So sound. That's right. You should have said I. Sound. 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 Okay. Day 5. I'll sound out the first one with you. Sound, s. Sound, eh. Blend, se. Sound, n. Blend, s, n, sen. Sound, d. Blend, s, n, d. Word, send. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say stamp? Oh, they make it plural, more than one. So sound. Now word. That's right, stamps. Sound. Sound. So AI is going to make that long A sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. That's right. Mailbox. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. blend. So first syllable fin, second syllable ish, word, fin-ish. Ooh, happened in the past, that ed ending. So sound, and then blend. So it should be fin-ished. So you already finished it. Happened in the past with that ed ending. You guys are superstars. Woo!